What if one compact tool could replace buckets, hoses, and hours of hard scrubbing? Imagine cleaning your car, bike, windows, garden furniture, air conditioner, balconies, and much more. Anytime, anywhere. Stay till the end and discover why this cordless pressure washer is becoming an essential cleaning companion for every home. Watch how effortlessly it removes dust, dirt, and stubborn stains from this vehicle. The high-pressure water stream reaches corners and surfaces that are difficult to clean manually. Whether it's daily dust accumulation, mud splashes, bird droppings, or road grime, this pressure washer helps restore a cleaner and fresher look in minutes. And its usefulness doesn't stop with cars. Use it for motorcycles, bicycles, windows, outdoor furniture, tiled floors, compound walls, balconies, air conditioner outdoor units, gardening, and even camping activities. Simply connect it to a bucket or water source and start cleaning wherever you need. One machine, endless cleaning possibilities. Upgrade your cleaning routine today with the 48-volt cordless pressure washer. For pricing, orders, and product inquiries, contact Industrial Products for you. Call us now and bring professional cleaning power to your home and workplace. Industrial Products for you, smart tools, powerful performance.